Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. This is James the Trader channel. Here we teach you trading in all of the markets. We teach you profitable strategies on how to remain a profitable trader in the long run. Alright, so on this channel we teach synthetic indices, cryptocurrency trading, and even forex trading, and so on and so forth. Alright, so in this video I'll be using the Derive platform and the Smart Trader platform, whereby we'll be teaching you a certain strategy today, and with this strategy you'll be able to make $48.63 in just 5 ticks. Alright, so while you wait for me to expose this little secret to you, just take a moment to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before, and then if you have, like this video. That will be a good gesture from you to us. And then click on the notification bell. If you've subscribed, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post videos as regards trading, secret strategies, profitable strategies, you will be the first to get notified, so that you can come watch it and then implement those strategies. Alright, so every strategy we teach on this channel, they are profitable, but try as much as possible to try these strategies on your demo account first, and then when you've mastered it and you've been able to control your emotions, you then go into your real account. Alright, so we'll be using the Smart Trader platform on Derive broker. Alright, click on Smart Trader, and then we'll be using the volatility 25 index. You can as well test this strategy on every other index so that you'll be unique in your usage of this strategy. Okay, so volatility 25, and then I go with the touch no touch. Alright, so for the duration we have 5 ticks, so put in 5 ticks there, and then ticks, not minutes, not hours, not days, 5 ticks. And then for the barrier offset, put plus 0.06. I'm going to stake $100 for this, and if I lose, of course there's no strategy that is 100% accurate. Alright, so you might have 1 or 2 losses in a row. So what we're going to do so as to recover quickly is, if we lose one trade, that's if we're going to lose, but if we lose one trade, we'll double the amount and trade again. Alright, so I won't come here to deceive you that you will never lose any of the trades and then you put in all your account at once. No, make sure at least the strategy is 70 to 80% accurate. Alright, so make sure you don't risk more than 10% of your capital, ideally 5% per stake. Alright, okay, so we are going to do this now. So what you do, scroll down to where we have charts. Right, you let it load. Okay, so you let it load up, we scroll up, and then we see the charts there. So you come here where you have line, the chart type, you change it from line, you take it to table. Alright, so here we have the table. Okay, so we are going to scroll up a little. So what we'll be looking out for is if we have these triangles that are shown here, green and red, they show the direction of the market. When you see green, it means the market moved upward. When you see red, it means the market moved downward. So we are trying to predict the market to move upward in about 0.06 barrier. Alright, so we are going to wait for when we see 3 greens consecutively. We see 3 greens, and then we click on purchase. Alright, so we've seen 3 greens, we click on purchase. So if we get the trade right, if we lose, we are going to increase our stake by 2. All right, so okay, we lost that trade, so the next one is going to be 200. All right, so this is a very profitable strategy. Let's check it out. So okay, let me check. 1 2 3. Okay, 3 3 3. Do we have this trade? Do we have this trade? Do we have this trade? All right, it's a one trade. So when you win, you take it back to your initial stake. What's happening with my network? Okay, it's back. Take it back to your initial stake. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. You never can tell when the losing trade is gonna come, so you try to be consistent. All right, so we are gonna wait for 3 greens consecutively, and then we click on purchase. All right, we have it. Do we have a win? Okay, I think this is going to be a one trade. Okay, we won this trade. Okay, so now let's go for our last trade. Because I don't want this video to be too long. You can try it as many times as possible. If it works well for you, it's been working well for me, but if it works well for you, you can go on to a real account. Okay, so but always risk as much as you can lose, or you can afford to lose. All right, don't be greedy. Traders shouldn't be greedy. If you're greedy, the market will really deal with you. All right, so as you watch this video, in the description of this video, you will see our Telegram link where we teach more profitable strategies. In fact, you will see I'll be teaching you very soon how to do the does not touch area, whereby you're going to double your account. That you see the returns is 155.6%. all right, so I'll be dropping a video on that, so join the Telegram group so that you would not miss out on this strategy. All right, so I've missed some few trades there, but I think we'll still catch up with some. All right, so let's go back to what we're looking out for. Okay. Do we have 1 2 3? Okay, we have a win. Do we have a win? Okay, we won this trade. All right, so this is a very profitable strategy. All right, so stake as much as you can afford to lose, and whenever you have a losing trade, all you do is double your stake so that you can recover. If you lose again, you double your stake. But as you can see, we only lost once and we were able to recover. So in just 5 ticks, that's about 5 seconds, you'll be making a sum of $48 if you staked $100. all right, so this is the strategy for today. Practice it on the demo several times. If you find it very useful, all right, you then switch on to a real account. All right, so though all our videos, these are not financial advice, we are just testing our strategies and giving you our opinion of the market. This is what has been working for us, and we have been using it to make cool cash. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel so as not to miss out in our subsequent videos, and turn on the notification bell so that when we drop videos such as this and much more subsequent ones, you will be first and foremost notified. All right, like this video, like it. That's the good thing you can do for us. Like the video. It's going to encourage us. It's going to make us happy that people are watching the video and they are interested in the video, so it encourages us to do more videos like this. So subsequently, we'll be bringing out videos on crypto, on forex, and several other markets, teaching you profitable strategies that are not found anywhere else in the internet. All right, so that will be all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.